I like these too. I like them. It's just that whole little look.
Very similar to your bike.
Yeah.
Pick it up.
Ducati Supersport 950S.
Give me a few minutes, alright?
Alright. If you're looking for me, I might be on the showroom. Come with the flip chip. Wow. Do they?
It's a big boy.
I told you, that thing is nice.
That's a big boy. It's nice until I got on that bitch. Like, that's a big ass bike.
I like this, but I know eventually I'm gonna go down in one of those.
So you like what?
This Panigale.
It looks fat.
That's a machine right there. That's a V4.
This one like.
I like the updated screen on it too a little bit
I don't like this one.
versus mine, but no, I think mine look a little bit more player than that one. But this a V2. I need to, you know what? I need to get this for my bike right here. The tank pad for my bike. The tank pad, I need to get that on my bike.
This?
Yeah.
What is that?
Just so when you land down, it just make you grip the tank better. I think that's what it does. But I like this.
That's a big boy.
What this?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's
heavy.
That's what I said. It feels like a lot of damn weight in between your legs.
I like the feel of it though. It's a little masculine though, but I like it. I actually like the feel of it. You know, I'm really not thinking about doing the clutch cover because I don't want to run a red line like that. I don't know. Yeah, like this. I want all my stuff to stay black, but I was looking at the.
Who said you gotta keep it red?
Cause that's what come with the clutch cover. I was looking at the this right here. Yeah, that's they changed this. That's why I think that's why they changed that to red.
No.
I'm looking for this.
No. I've seen clutch covers without that.
He did so much custom work to it.
I like the clutch cover only with.
I can't find a custom seat either. That's another thing. It's like that's one thing that I do want, a custom seat. I would prefer to have a seat just like, nah, that ain't soft enough. It might be alright though.
There's plenty of I mean, Vic can tell you that Vic right now is trying to find a replacement seat, but he got plenty of people that will do
A custom seat cover?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plenty of them.
I'm definitely interested in doing that. Let's see. And they were saying I was looking online, looking at the reviews. They were saying I wouldn't need a stabilizer either. This right here. So you know when you ever seen? Remember I was showing you the videos about the tank slapping. Tank slapping is basically when the wheel just start wobbling like this, like real crazy. I was thinking about getting one of those, but they said for the suspension on the bike is so good that you probably don't even need it. It's just a waste of money. So.
Now normally, I don't like the contrasted open clutch.
Mm-hmm.
But this one looks nice on it.
On what?
This red on this.
The Evolve?
Yeah, I'm sure you got that. I'm sure you got
I like that gold.
red cable as an accent. That's not. Doesn't normally come with
He got
the
this
red
carbon
cable. 'Cause
fiber
every time
too.
I look into the Ducati clutch cover, it's only the cover or the
You can change that part though.
the interior.
Yeah.
It's not like a whole kit.
Well, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong.
Yeah, because this is one piece by itself. This is another piece.
Yeah, that's another piece I know for sure.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. The cable and these, that's not together.
I think he changed his wheels too, if I'm not mistaken. Did you see how nice the key is for this? It's a flip key for this.
Flip key.
Yeah,
I understand.
like the push button and the key flip out. I'll show you.
It's like you just start paying attention to all the little details. Essentially, like,
Yeah.
I'm still on the focus of need to get my shit.
For all you guys that don't know, that's my father. See the resemblance? These monsters ain't bad. I think they had a nice little monster out here last time I was here. But I don't know. I like this yellow too. This yellow is nasty. These are all service bikes though, so we can't get on those. That yellow is nasty.
The only thing I don't like about these is this.
The what?
The one that looks like the Transformer Bumblebee. That wide.
Yeah.
I don't like that look. I'm more partial to the one that, the way yours looks like that one.
They're getting me all washed up.
Like that one.
Is that a Supersport?
Panigale.
Panigale? That's the one that I always see like riding around town. I think I'm liking the BMWs though. I'm really starting to like those. Those really starting to grow on me. I didn't care for them at first.
The one that you showed me looked like yours.
Yeah.
What is that? About your life?
I think they getting it ready because they he just told me he'll be right back. So he ain't looking for me yet. They're going there in a minute. Did you get a Triumph? Did you get a Triumph?
What happened?
Yeah.
Yeah, but something that caught my attention. I can't tell you what it was. It seemed like it got 1,001 of them. Not those. Touring type with the saddlebag.
I don't ever see myself really getting one of those, but I like this. I need some. Hey, I was saying I need answers about this because I need to know what these are right here. I don't know what those are, but that's a nice massive screen on there. And a traditional BMW color right here. I like that gray though, but I like this one too. So, cause that's the Evolve is like, it's not like a sports bike. This is a sports bike. So,
yeah, but
I think sports bikes are still wide.
It's still wide like the Evolve though. Actually, it might be a little wider.
See what the screen of a BMW look like. Oh my god. That is nice. Oh. Yeah. Let me get to see how the lights look on this one. I like my lights better. They're nice though. Let me see. do I turn the lights on? They got so many features on here. I don't even know how to turn lights on this thing. Wow. Ah, here we go. Carbon fiber. It's a nice bike. How you looking like that?
I'm just looking. Yeah, I like the gray one.
I like the gray better too. Just cause these traditional BMW colors, but this was the one that originally caught my eye.
What's the plan again?
I asked them did they have some more seat cover screws, cause
I'm taking the car where?
to the. And we're back.
All right, man. Have a good one.
You too.
Take care.
Appreciate it.
Bye.
Thank you. Finally made it back, and we're here. No more leaks, no more issues. Go ahead, start it up for y'all. So the issue that I was having with my bike was the oil filter. It was leaking, and so more or less they just put a new oil filter on and tightened it up, and they got it back to me within like a week. Wasn't bad. I wasn't expecting to ride this thing for another 2 to 3 weeks, but it's here, and it's better than ever. So it's back, thank God. So they said they couldn't get the acceleration issue to produce, and I honestly told them, I'm like, maybe it was just me. I don't know, but sometimes I feel like there's a little lag in acceleration when I'm on this bike. But they told me if I can produce the issue, show them the video that I'm showing you guys, but I haven't got it to happen so far, so yeah. So, and we're back.